Welcome back to another video, guys. I took a trade on V100 index and moving nicely well. So how I was able to take this trade, how I was able to see this sell opportunity. We'll be looking into all of that in today's video. Stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this analysis. So I went to the daily time frame basically and saw the market direction. That's the first thing I look at for whenever I want to take a trade or look for a trade opportunity. I know the overall market direction. I have to identify it. You've seen the market heading to the downside between lower highs and lower lows. The market is on an overall downtrend. So this would help me know where I would put my attention out on the buy side or on the sell side. And it's clear I'll be focusing more on the sell side because I've seen the market direction. So next I went to the forward time frame and saw that the market was giving us some kind of build up at this point. The market has been in a range. We'd call it a range basically. Because we've been seeing the market sell off from here. The market give us this long sells, this straight sells to the downside. Now came to this particular zone and started giving us this correction, this build up at this point. This could be a build up for a continuation, a build up for a reversal back to the upside. So when I saw this formation, I had to zoom in and identify my levels and zones properly. So firstly, I saw that the market had a point of resistance at this point. Market has always respected this level as a resistance. You can see how it came to it, sold off, came back to it again, sold off like 3-4 times. Market has sold off from this our zone. So I have to identify it because there's a possibility of the market still coming back to this zone to sell off again. You have to take note of this particular level. So when I identify this level, the market also formed a zone at this point, a level of support on resistance. This level has been a level of support in the past. The market has been buying up from here, bought up from here, finally broke below it, didn't give us a sell to downside like support on resistance, didn't give us a sell, but broke in on this level again, came to this level, bought from this zone. This level has played a big role in the market. The market is reacting on this zone. So when the market broke below this level, we had the market come back to test this zone again to sell off from it. You can see after the break and retest of this level, it gave us these two candlestick rejections from here and sold off to the downside. So the market gave us another approach to this level again, like a second test of this our level of resistance and sold off. The third test of it sold off, and this test on this our level was giving us this reversal formation, this head and shoulder spot, and we got the head at this point. We got the left shoulder basically, we got the head at this zone and the right shoulder at this particular point, which is a nice reversal formation. So when I saw this reversal formation, I knew that there could be possible sells coming up in the coming hours because I've seen that the market is trading under a level of resistance, and we got the neckline of this reversal formation at this point that got broken, like a break and retest of it. You can see how massive the retest at this point is. This bullish engulfing candle that pushed to the upside. This was kind of stop out those who sold at this point. So after we had this bullish engulfing candle, the market still failed to give us a contention to the upside on how massive this candle is. Normally we should be expecting a contention to the upside, but the market didn't give us that. Like we saw at this point, we had this bullish move to the upside, so you can see how the bullish candle followed up, but the market didn't give us such at this particular zone because you got a formation, a reversal formation. Had not put this lower highs, the market started forming and checking our Fibonacci retracement levels from the swing highs to the swing lows. You can see the market reacted on the 61.8 level, which is a nice retracement level at this zone. So this is a nice sell level, a nice zone you could be looking out for good trade opportunity on. So after this bullish move to the upside, what followed up with this bearish engulfing candle, I knew that the bears was coming to the market, so I had to go lower to the 1 hour time frame to look out for possible market formations on this zone. So when I went to the 1 hour time frame, I also noticed that we had a pin bar at this point. You can see this pin bar, which is a nice candlestick formation, which is a nice reversal candlestick formation. We had this pin bar at this zone that pushed this market to the downside, as well as giving us this lower highs formation, which is a nice bearish structure, a nice bearish formation. So I had to identify this market structure and saw that the market was kind of giving us this double top formation at this zone, but it's clearly seen on the 15-minute time frame, which I went to. So you can see that I had the highs at this point. Not really a perfect double top formation, but it's a nice formation. We could tell that the market is about to reverse, to the downside. So I had to identify the neckline of this our double top formation at this point and waited for the market to break and close below this level to short. So immediately I saw the market broke and close below this level, I took my sales at this zone. You can see how massive the market has been selling to the downside. My stop loss at this point, my stop loss at this zone basically, my stop loss here, I took my sales on the break and close below this our level. You can see how well the market is dropping to the downside. So that's how I was able to take the sales on V100 index, working with market price action, identifying the market direction on the daily time frame, going to the forward time frame to spot my structures and market formations to work with market price action. Then coming back to the 1 hour time frame to look out for possible zones to short the market or to take my trade on. That's it, basically working in market price action, reading the market's mind. Trading can be a lot simple if you can be able to get the information the market is giving, understand those signals the market is giving, those market formations, and work alongside with it. So that will be it for now, guys. Do it to smash like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more videos like this. And to my returning viewers, a big shout out to you guys for listening, getting my videos. Let's do more, guys. Let's do more, and do have a wonderful day. Peace.